I'm about to get old, really old. So here I'm just taking my white powder and then I'm applying it all over my face. Next time I don't think I'm going to use a white powder because it made it difficult for me to create my wrinkles with my eye pencil. So but next time I'm not going to use it, but that's what I'm doing right now. Next I'm going to be taking a red blush from my Hush Beauty palette and I'm going to be applying it on all the places I feel like needs a little bit of redness. My forehead, my cheek, and I'm going to be going down my neck. Anything I'm doing in this tutorial, I'm also going to be doing it on my neck because old lady is not going to have a young neck. Now I'm taking my brown eyeshadow from my Nuban Beauty palette and I'm applying brown on all the places that I'm going to be placing my wrinkles, and I'm using my a small fluffy brush. So I'm going to apply it on all the places that I'm going to be placing my wrinkles, because if I just go straight ahead and make my wrinkles, it's not going to appear, it's not going to look real. So I'm just doing that to create like a base for my wrinkles. Yeah, so I'm going to be doing different funny expressions to be able to get the exact places that need touch up and the places that naturally have those things that I'm trying to create. So I'm taking a larger brush and I'm applying that brown eyeshadow all over just to generously distribute it on my face. I'm just applying it all over on all those places that I'm still going to apply my wrinkles. I'm going to make my wrinkles. Now I'm applying a darker brown eyeshadow from Hush Beauty palette. I'm applying dark brown eyeshadow just on the places that I know are going to be darker than other places. So I'm just using my fluffy brush to apply that on my cheek, especially this part of the eyes. Is very important because it makes it look like, okay, my eyes are going in. I know old people, they have those eyes that like go in. It's very important. And then under the eyes, I have no idea what I'm doing here. No idea. So initially I tried to use like a precise brush to create the wrinkles, but it wasn't working, so I just had to switch to my eye pencil. So I use my eye pencil to create my wrinkles. When creating the wrinkles, you have to just like do different facial expressions, raise your eyebrows up, you know, smile, frown, so that you can just get to those natural places that would form wrinkles and just draw your wrinkles with your pencil. So yeah, so that's just what I'm doing now. Just following my natural lines. I'm going to be doing different funny expressions in this video. So yeah, just around my eyes. Those places where, you know, where you get some kind of wrinkles when you tend to squint your eyes. That's what I'm doing right now. And my nose and all of that. You have to do different facial expressions, because when you smile, you have a different facial expression. So you can smile, frown, everything. So right now I'm using the Hegai and Esther brow pencil to create my eye bag, because this eye pencil is a bit easier to apply, and I'm taking my eye bags down so that it looks like my eyes are really sagging. And then I'm also using that brown eye pencil to just to deepen some places that I want to be darker. Then going over to my neck, I'm using that fluffy brush to apply that darker brown eyeshadow on my neck. Take note that I've already like drawn some lines across my neck to like create the effect that is needed on my neck. I'm still using my pencil again to draw some lines. So now I just use the concealer on my lips just for the effect, kind of, and then I went over it with my pencil. Just, you know, most old people have like squeezed lips, so that's also what I'm doing now, to just create some kind of squeezed lips. So now I'm generously applying wrinkles all over my face. I'm just drawing some lines, very light. I'm using the very light hand just to make my face look squeezed a bit, just for the general effect. And I'm using my NYX jumbo pencil for all the parts that I'm going to be having gray hair. I'm using it on both sides of my eyebrows. I use it on my eyelashes, and now I'm brushing it with a spoolie just so that it looks like hair. It looks a bit more real. I'm also applying on my eyelashes. Now I'm applying it all over my hair because I'm going to wear a wig, so I don't want any part of my hair that is coming out to be just black. So I'm rubbing it so that it doesn't look fake. Yeah, old lady's about to come out. Yeah. So I went ahead and wore my wig off camera, and this is old lady Annie. Yeah. Old lady is tired and needs to go to bed. So I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I love you guys. Bye.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yes. Why are you looking like this? What did you do to your face? Yeah?
I'm now your grandma.
Huh?
I'm now your grandma.